Welcome back, dear students. How are you today? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to have half hours lesson. In the last lesson, you learned about hours. Today we will learn about what half an hour means. I have here analog clock, 2 analog clocks and 1 digital clock. When I say what time is it? I have here minutes and hours. In the clock I have minutes and hours. Okay, miss. First I look at the hours. The short hand points to the hours. Bravo, my dear students, points to the hours. And the long hand points to, bravo, the minutes, right. So I have here, when he asks me what time is it, how can I know? I look at the hours. It's 9. It's 9 only? No, miss, we have here minutes. It appears minutes here, so it's 9. How can I read this? 30. It's 9:30. Right, it's 9:30. Adham, bravo. So I say here it's 9:30. It's 9:30, miss. What happened now? Okay. I have here an analog clock. I look at the minutes. The long hand points to the number 6. What does it mean, number 6 here? Here, number 6 means, let's have a look here. Okay, here. 5 minutes. Every small line counts here a minute. So if I count those minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 is 5 minutes. When I reach the number 1, it's 5 minutes. Then I'll count also here. After 5, yes miss, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here the number 2 here points to 10 minutes. It counts here 10 minutes. From the number 12 to the number 2, it counts how many small lines? Yeah, miss, 10 small lines, 10 minutes. And so on until I reach here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and then 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay, so I want you to know that an hour, a whole hour is 60 minutes. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Okay, so half an hour, 30 minutes. So here, what time is it? I start with saying it's 9:30. 9:30. When I go here to the right, it's called past. It's 9:30. Okay. Here I have till the time, yeah. It's half. I start with using half. It's 3:30. Miss, here the short hand comes in between or near to 3 and is close also to 4. I take the number before. Before what, miss? Before the short hand. So it's 3:30. It's not 4:30. It's 3:30. Right. Here. Omar, Kenzie, Asia, how are you? All the class, how are you? Tulin. Yeah. It's the long hand goes to half past. It's 3:30. what, 12 or 1? I go to the number before, so it's half past 12. Half past 12, right. I have here a digital clock, so it's 12:30. 12:30. Bravo. Draw hour and minute hands. Hour and minute hands. Okay. He gives me here 4:30. So I will draw by myself, right? I draw by myself, Maya. The short hand goes to 4. Okay? And the why 4? Because 4 is the hour. Because 4 here indicates or gives me or tells me that 4 is the hours. 4 hours and 30. Where is here 30? Do you have 30? Yes, miss. But by counting minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Bravo. So it's 4:30 or half past 4. Bravo. Here it's half past 7. When I hear half past, I know it's 30. 30 minutes. Where is the 30 minutes here? 6, miss. So the long hand will go to 6 and the short hand will go to 7. Go to 7. Okay? Okay. Here, the problem solving, as I told you before, is very important. Okay? Paul put bread in the oven at 1:30. Okay? Put bread in the oven. Okay? Then bread needs 30 minutes to bake. What time should Paul take the bread out of the oven? It's 1:30 and the bread needs extra 30 minutes. So, what time should Paul take the bread out of the oven? 1:30 plus 30. It means after 1:30 by 30 minutes. So, it will be 30 plus 30, 60. What does it mean, miss? I have here, I want to show you at a clock. When it's 1:30, after half an hour, it will go to 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. So, I will count like this. 1 o'clock, 1:30 o'clock, 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Ava says it's 6 o'clock. Is her answer correct? Explain. What did you see? What did she say? She says that. Okay. What does she say? She says that it's 6 o'clock. Yes or no? 6 o'clock. The short hand goes to 6. Right. And the long hand points to 12, which is 00. Right? Can you remember in the last session? Yeah. So it's 6 o'clock. Yes, the minute hand is on the 12 and the hour hand is on the 6. Okay? Here, vocab check. Hour, and half an hour. Half an hour. Here, I make what I make. Don't forget to make what here. To make a long hand goes 2 points to 6, and here short hand goes to 6. Okay. Moving to the other slide. Write the time or draw the hands. I have here the long hand goes to 6, so it's 30 minutes. Half past what, miss? Half past 11. Half past 11. The number before the short hand is 11. Again, the number before the short hand. Okay? Okay. Here, it's 7:30 or half past 7. So the long hand points to 6 and the short hand points to 7. And so on. This is very simple. Here, what time will it be? Yeah, I like these questions very much. What time will it be in 3 hours? Okay, will it be in the future? This is 7 o'clock now. After 3 hours, it will be, inshallah, it will be after 7, 8, 9 and 10. So it will be 10 o'clock. What time will it be after 2.5 hours? Oh my God, 2.5 past. What time will it be? Will it be, I mean, future. What time will it be after 2.5 hours have passed? Here, after half an hour. I begin with half. Okay, after 30, after half, 1.5, 1:30. I told you before, after 1.5 by half an hour, it will be 2. Okay, I calculated now the half hour. And 2, yeah, I reached now 2. And plus 2 hours, so it will be after 2, 3, 4. So the answer will be 4 o'clock. What time was it? Was it 1 hour ago? Ago was in the past. Ago was in the past. Don't forget. Okay? Okay. Here it's what I look to the number before the shorthand. When I want to know the hour, I look at the shorthand, the number before the shorthand. The number before the shorthand is 6 or 7? Yes, 6. So it's what here the clock tells me the time. It's half past 6 or 6:30, right? Yes. Okay, now what time was it 1 hour ago? Minus 1. 6:30 minus 1 hour, so it will be 5:30. Here, what time will it be after half an hour has passed? After half an hour has passed, okay, 3:30, then 30 minutes or half an hour, so it will be in the future 4 o'clock. Problem solving, as I told you, is very important to know how to read and solve questions. Mark has a train journey. It takes 3 hours and it ends at 4:30. What time did Mark begin his journey? Okay, he ends his journey at 4:30. Okay, and it took him to go there 3 hours. The duration, or I can say in other words, how long does it take him to go there? It will take 3 hours, or it took 3 hours. Okay, 4:30 minus the 3 hours, it will be here. When I want to know the duration of something, I calculate the difference between the starting time and the ending time. Okay, so 4:30 minus 3 here, the duration, equals 1:30. I hope you understood everything. If you have any question, don't hesitate to send your question on Google Classroom. Thank you, my dear students.